We're making easy grilled ham, egg, and cheese sandwiches. This microwavable bowl to do the eggs from Sistema. Now we just beat them up a little. Turn it right upside down. Look at that, ain't that neat? And you can slice it. Now we can get our egg. So we got 4 nice sandwiches coming up. Cheese on each one. Now we're going to take our ham. Just a little bit of onion on a couple of them, chopped onion. Just put a little green onion on there. Put our tops on. And there you have him. Grilled egg, ham, and cheese. Let's get a bite. That egg's done perfectly.